In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and print checks in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the full process from creating a check, to putting it in the print queue, to setting up your printer so everything lines up correctly on your check stock. Follow along in your own QuickBooks Online account if you can, and feel free to pause as you go. Let's start with creating a check. From the main QuickBooks Online dashboard, look for the plus new button at the top of the screen and click it. From the list that appears, choose Check. This opens up the check form. Here, you'll fill in the key details. Select the payee, choose the bank account the money is coming from, enter the check date, and type in the amount. Make sure you choose the correct account you're paying from so your records stay accurate. Take a moment to double-check the information before you move on. Now, you have two options. If you want to print the check right away, select Print or Preview. If you'd rather print it later, check the box that says Print Later, then click Save and Close. That adds the check to your printing queue so you can batch print multiple checks at once. When you're ready to print checks from the queue, go back to the plus new button and this time select Print Checks. Before you continue, load your pre-printed check stock into your printer. Make sure it's facing the right direction based on your printer's instructions so the information prints on the correct side. In QuickBooks, choose the bank account you're printing checks from using the drop-down menu. Then, in the starting check number field, enter the number of the first physical check that's currently in your printer tray. Next, check the boxes next to the specific checks you want to print from the list. Once everything looks good, click Preview and Print. If this is your first time printing checks in QuickBooks Online, a setup wizard will open to help you get your printer aligned. Follow the prompts. You'll be asked to select your check type, usually standard or voucher, and then confirm your printer settings. QuickBooks will let you print a test sample on a blank piece of paper. Place that test page directly over a real blank check and hold them up to compare. If anything is off, go back into the alignment settings in QuickBooks and adjust until the text lines up with the fields on your check. Once everything is aligned correctly, confirm the setup and then proceed to print your checks from the queue with confidence.